it's messed up.
Yeah, it's all over your face. Want to go? Huh? Don't hurt me! Oh, you just elbowed! Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? No. Don't kiss me. You're like Kobe. I have to fart. But I'm not gonna fart because that's immature. No, it's not. I'm like moving right now. That sprayed my vagina. It stinks though. What if it goes through my underwear? It won't. Now everybody's gonna say I have a good smelling vagina, so that's okay. No. Yeah. My vagina smells like good stuff. No, it doesn't. Yeah, it does. I smelled it.
They can taste it too. It tastes like perfume.
Yeah. Well, do you want to smell my vagina?
I smelled it in your sleep.
When were you sleeping with me? Last night? Was I really that?
Drunk. The word's drunk. Was I really that hungover?
Ooh! You're ugly. You're an ugly piece of shit.
Are you guys gonna stop being funny?
Tickle your boobies! Tickle your boobies! Tickle your Oh, I taste the perfume!
Did you eat her vagina?
I was like fingering myself because it's wet right here. Stop fingering yourself.
Do something.
Right up the butt. Wait, guys, do you want to see my butt?
Nobody wants to see it.
Butt up the butt.
Not like that.
Butt up and away. Why don't you stop stripping? Fine, I'll just go away.
This has been 5 minutes. Bye. Oh! Close it! Close it!
Go in there, I dare you. Why?
I dare you.
Is
I'll
it-
give you
is it
$10.
haunted? Yeah.
No. Go, go, go.
Go get it for you.
Ah!
I'm
No!
not kidding that.
No! Get the perfume! Wait, you can't even see it.
Is there lights in there?
No.
Go get it, Eleni. I'm not getting it.
Get it. I won't lock you in.
No.
Go. Go. No. Get it.
No!
Fine, I'm just gonna leave it open.
Eleni, there's nothing in there.
We're not gonna do anything.
Obviously is, if you guys are so
No,
freaked out
it's
about
just
it.
scary looking. It's not scary.
Oh.
For Rizzle.
No. Stop raping
Go.
me.
Go.
Go!
You're raping me.
Go.
Go! Come on, Rachel, come!
Let it get up.
No.
Ugh.
Oh. 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 No. No. No.
Come on,
No.
run, Rocker.
No.
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 Go! I need it. Get it! me to get it? Yeah.
Get me up first.
My hair!
Get it. Get this on recording.
No, Lenny, I'll hold it open.
The Toby closet.
Trust you.
Bye.
Bye. We're not gonna talk to you until you get it.
Yeah, Lenny, I'll sit here.
Somebody come inside a little bit with me.
I'll come inside a little
Right
bit.
here.
Why are you guys so afraid of it?
You're looking at
But what if there is something?
No,
What if something
there
bad
isn't.
happens
We're
to
not
me?
gonna close it on you
What's
because we're
gonna
not mean.
happen to you?
See?
Oh my god, it's freezing in there. No, that's so bad.
Yay! You can close it now.
It's freezing in there.
Close it. Close the door.
Whoa, there's purple.
Hey, let's watch this.